Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to learn how to create groups, okay, in RightFax server step by step. So guys, every RightFax user must be assigned to a group. So meaning is very simple. If you have even single user, you should try to uh, assign a group to that user. And group settings determine fax options, cover sheets, and notification options. So when we create group, we get multiple options, and we can apply multiple settings to that particular group. So all member will be having the same sort of settings and configuration. So you can see one is basic information, next one is force scheduling, next one is smart fax distribution, access control, fax dialog customization, and aging and archiving. So these are the options we get when we edit user property. Okay, so we will understand all six one by one. So guys, to open the list of groups, you have to go to enterprise fax manager. Okay, and then you need to select groups. From there, if you want to uh, you know create new group, we will follow. Okay, further process I will show you here. To create a new group, I will take server. This is my server, enterprise fax manager. This is enterprise fax manager, this is list, and here group. Okay, so as of now you can see only two groups are there. One is everyone, which is by default, and this I had created in my last video. So once again I will create new group here. Okay guys, so you got this window. What you have to give here, you need to give user id. User id means group id. Okay, group id box, and rest of options, let's see. Okay, so group id I'm giving RightFax group, or RightFax Z I gave. Okay, and rest of things you can leave as default. If you want to change, you can change, like here you can add any monitor id, alternate monitors. You can add up to 9 ids inside this box, and type of notification also you can configure smtp and whichever is required. So as of now I'm going with uh, no notification, nothing. I'm just going with this default only. So I'm creating one user group. So I created one user group here. Okay, and if you want to delete, you can delete simply. Okay guys, simply what you can do, you can so very simple here, sorry. You can right click and delete this group. Okay, from here if you want to edit, you can edit from here. And for example, you have multiple servers. Okay, server, when r1 is here, when r3 is one more server. If you want to copy this user, you can simply drag. So we don't have any server as of now, we are not dragging, so you can drag it to another server also. It is very simple to create user group or group account. And so if you delete only group assigned a specific library document, then that library document will be marked as expire. It can be deleted, edited, or reassigned to another group. So guys, here basic information, we need to give group id. Okay, and this is edit window for that group. You need to give group id monitor. Here this monitor option tells you enter the user id of the primary monitor of this group. Okay, and primary monitor has access to all the mailboxes in the group and receive alerts. Now you can see here user notified time, so that is also you can mention here in the RightFax server configuration program expire. So guys, this is the basic tab, okay, basic information about the group. Now we'll see about access control, okay, access control tab. So access control, using the setting on the access control tab, you can control the group members access to a specific cover sheet, okay, a specific library document, fax number, and global ODBC phone books. You can also require the use of cover sheet and set a default cover sheet, okay guys. And next is aging tab. So let's see, first of all, access control. So you need to go to edit and access control tab. So you can see cover sheet, select cover sheet. All faxes must have cover sheet, library document. Let's see, select this, okay. So you can select and move this side. So let and this you can check mark. So it is all fax must have the cover sheet, so this cover sheet will be applied to all the faxes. Similarly for document, okay, and fax number also you can uh, assign here like this one. User I did not assign that. I don't have any user, it seems. I have user, so let me assign user 3 routing, okay. 2 is assigned to this one, so I can go to this and edit access control and fax number. So 2 came to user 3, okay, automatically here. This is how we can specifically manage. So it's nothing fancy in this, very simple, okay. And apart from this, the next tab is access control. I hope we have understood, it is very easy. And the next one is aging and archiving, okay. So automatically fax archive aging, you can configure multiple parameters here. Setting apply to all uh, user folders. So check the requirement of your business. What is the requirement? Accordingly you can select, you can check mark. For example, delete faxes after 5 days I am giving, okay. And received faxes uh, viewed or printed, this is for aging, okay. Similarly, you can enable EDC enable external document connector processing from here if required, and specify EDC module to be used for processing, okay. Whether it is RightFax XML generator or RightFax Vault or FileNet. Generally we will be talking about XML generator only, okay, later on. So guys, these are the settings you can enable from these tabs, okay. And you can exclude if you want, exclude from RightFax archiving also. So we have seen access control, aging, and archiving. Next one is force schedule. You can enable force scheduling, okay. So maximum concurrent pages you can define here. Maximum concurrent pages, this first one, and the next one is faxes, and a start time and time delay until the time. So force scheduling for that particular group you can enable from here if required. Next one is uh, fax dialog customization. So these are the options for fax customization dialog, okay. So if you want uh, for example, acquire attachment from a scanner, okay. So if you want to remove this, you can remove from here easily. And the last one is, I hope we have seen all, okay, this smart fax distribution. So guys, smart fax distribution is what, let me show you here. I think you have understood this. RightFax enterprise and satellite servers include automatic fax aging. You can also perform manual fax aging using faxes. Okay guys, so like this you can configure parameters, you can make settings. Okay, you can do settings for aging and archiving. Next one is smart fax distribution tab. So with a smart fax distribution, you assign a fax number or routing code to the group. Okay, you are assigning a fax number or routing code to the group. All faxes received by the group will be distributed between the users in the group according to the selected distribution type. Very simple. So you will assign one fax number to that group, and if any fax is coming to that group, according to the parameter you are configuring here, like distribution type and a fax number you need to assign from here, or you can check like if anything is available you can assign. For example, I gave if any fax is coming to this, so it will go to all the users as or how many users are there in that group. Okay, and member refusal allowed, members can refuse from here if you check mark this. Okay, so this is what all about the smart fax distribution. Okay guys, so I hope I am done with the very clear idea here, and I tried to deliver you very clear and specific information about group edit, and it will be informative for you guys, and try to implement it on your lab or testing environment. And for more videos you can subscribe channel, like, share and comment. And next video we will understand uh, something new in RightFax. Till then, bye bye.